If this is not the most dainty and cute thing, I don't know what is. It goes well with my everyday necklaces. Oh, this is so cute. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. Hi everybody, it is Shae here back for another video. In today's video, we are doing an unboxing for Read Your Heart jewelry. If you haven't seen my previous video for Read Your Heart, I'm going to leave it up here for you to see. So go ahead and click up here. They reached out to me again because Mother's Day is near, and what better gift for mom than some Read Your Heart jewelry. So let's get into this unboxing and see what beautiful items they have. Okie dokie. So first thing that's in the package is all of their information about their jewelry. They're going to give you reports for each of the items. So that's what we have here. I believe I have 3 items, or actually 4. So let's see. And they're also going to give you a little gift bag. So if you are giving this as a gift to mom or auntie or grandma, whoever, you're going to have a gift bag, and you're going to also have a cleaning wipe for your jewelry. And then you're also going to have information about the company here and information on how to care for your jewelry. So that's important. All right, each item is individually wrapped, and they all come in this beautiful little teal box. So let me get the paper off here. All right, cute little teal box here, or like Tiffany blue box. And the first thing that we have is this beautiful ring. Oh my gosh, you guys. So look at the packaging. That is so pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna actually take off my real wedding ring because I want to try this on. Oh my gosh. Now, if you know me, you know my style is dainty and cute. If this is not the most dainty and cute thing, I don't know what is. How beautiful is this ring? I love it, I love it, I love it. Isn't that gorgeous? Very excited. So here's the box that it came in. So every night, oh, also, I think I had it the wrong way first, but every night I'm gonna just leave it in here so that I can keep good care of it. But this is so pretty. I love it. I love it, I love it. Okie dokie, so the next item that we have is this beautiful gold necklace. Look at that. You know what? Let's try it on. If you know me, once again, you know I love my gold jewelry, so let's try this on. And you know what? I always, these are the ones that I wear on the daily. So what I'm gonna do is just put it on with these because I like layering my necklaces, and I think that this is a good layering necklace. Look at that. That is so pretty. I think it goes well. It goes well with my everyday necklaces. Oh, this is so cute. I am so excited. And once again, it comes in this little package, so you can keep it and care for it. Oh my gosh, Read Your Heart. I am in love. Okay, and the very last item that we have are these beautiful earrings. So these are just, I'm a very like simple, kind of like dainty jewelry girl. So when they reached out to me, they gave me options of what I could select, and I selected these earrings here. So these are kind of like the ones that I wear on the daily, but these are a little bit bigger. So let's try them on real quick. I'll be right back. What do we think? What do we think? I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. Not only, well, it comes in these, everything came in like a little bag, but then it also comes with a box. So very, very nice packaging. All right, guys, let me give you a little information about Moissanite jewelry, because that's what Read Your Heart is. So it was discovered in 1893 by a French scientist. The gemstone comes from outer space and has almost the same hardness and brilliance as diamonds produced naturally on Earth. It's incredibly rare, so the Moissanite jewelry available is laboratory created. After years of research and science breakthroughs, Read Your Heart have created the perfect created Moissanite to be available for all fine jewelry needs. So guys, go check out their website. Beautiful, beautiful items, beautiful for mom as a Mother's Day gift, beautiful for yourself. I have a code, it's Shae15, so you will get 15% off of your purchase. Go now, hurry up, beautiful items, you won't regret it. So let's recap what we got today. So we got this beautiful ring, and I think I'm gonna go get a band for this because it is so pretty. I love it. We got this beautiful necklace, and then we also got these beautiful earrings. So go check out the website, as I said before. Code Shae15. You guys, you won't be disappointed with these items. So Moissanite jewelry has the same hardness and fire as diamonds, but the price is only a few tenths of a diamond. Same hardness, same fire, a tenth of the price. Like, why wouldn't you get it? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.